In this video, I will show you how to transfer funds from PayPal to Revolut. So first of all, open up your PayPal app and then go to the wallet section at the bottom right. And then from here, you will find all of your added banks and cards. And if you did not add Revolut yet, then you need to click on add new in here. And once you do that, you need to click on banks. And right now you will find all of the banks that are available in the country where you're in right now. And if you see Revolut, just like I have it in here, you're just going to select Revolut. And if Revolut is not available for you, then you just need to type something in. And I'm just going to type it in like this so that it says we couldn't find your bank. And then you need to manually add in your bank details. So go ahead and click on enter your bank details. And after you've done that, you will see that you can fill in the country of your bank account, including your IBAN number. And then you can click on add bank account down below. So right now I'm going to Revolut to get this IBAN number. And after you've opened Revolut, go ahead and click on the initials at the top left. And from here, go ahead and click on account. And once you click on account, you need to click on account details. From here, select the currency that you want to transfer. I'm going to select Euro. And in this screen, you will find all of your account details, including your name, your IBAN number, your BIC Swift code, and the bank name and address of Revolut. And if you want to make international transfers, you can set this to international because it is on local, as you can see right now. But right now, I'm just going to copy this IBAN number to my clipboard. And now I'm going to paste this in PayPal. So I have pasted in my IBAN number and I'm going to click on add bank account down below. And as you can see, we have successfully linked our bank and now we can transfer money from this PayPal balance to this bank account. So we need to confirm it and then we can use this bank account to pay or send money. So let's go and click on done. And then as you can see down below, it says check your online banking in a few days for 2 small deposits. And then you can come back and enter the amounts to verify this bank account. So go ahead and click on OK. And now we just need to wait in order to have this deposit on our account. And once we verify this, we can simply go to our bank account in this wallet section, and then we can just transfer money between this bank account. And if you want to start transferring money to this bank account once it's verified, you're going to click on the 3 stripes at the top left. And then from here, you're going to click on send to a bank account in this option. And then you can just select the country where you're sending to. So let's say you're sending to Belgium. And then you can just click on next and enter the amount before. And then you can enter the IBAN where you're sending to, and this way you can easily transfer between this bank account. So I hope this video helped you out. Please leave a like and consider subscribing, and then I'll see you in the next one.